I'm Earl E, Counsel at Liff, Walsh Simmons, Eagle Title here in Annapolis, Maryland. And today I want to talk a bit about the Post-COVID Foreclosure Disincentive Act of 2020. As you know, with COVID being the talk of the day and the problem of the day, we have a situation where there's a lot of people out of work. And with that will probably come foreclosures in due time. Baltimore City has begun the process of pushing through a bill that might help persons in threat of foreclosure. That bill will increase city transfer tax from a percentage, which is now 1.5% of the purchase price or sales price of the property or the assessed value of the property, depending on certain situations. But the 1.5% has been in place for some time. Now what we're looking at is, in a foreclosure situation, increasing that to 100%. That will, in effect, be a moratorium on foreclosures for some time in Baltimore City. The proposed ordinance is scheduled to expire 1 year after the end of the current restrictions due to COVID. The governor will announce those easing of restrictions in due time, but the city will then have a full year in which to stop foreclosures based on this increased tax. One example is, in a $1 million transaction, currently 1.5% or $15,000 is your city transfer tax. In a foreclosure in the future, it may well be 100%, or if you want to record a deed that you foreclosed on for $1 million, you have to pay another $1 million or double your cost to purchase the property. Lenders will probably have a disincentive to foreclose, but they will also have a disincentive to make loans to new purchasers of property and those refinancing their homes. So it is quite a balance between protecting those under threat of foreclosure and assisting those who want to buy a home or refinance. Certainly we'll follow this bill as it pushes its way through the City Council. But I would say anyone that's in the business of lending in Baltimore City should stay aware of this ordinance and follow its progress.